Okay, so I've paired my mobile. At the moment that's on radio, so if I turn that's radio. However, if I go to my music, onto music, you'll see Land Rover at the bottom. There's a tip by Land Rover. That means if I get this set up properly, anything that I play on here will play through the speakers in a Land Rover. So we'll go back, that's playing, I'm going to turn that up. So what we're looking for is the auxiliary button here. Click on auxiliary, change that. That's showing auxiliary Bluetooth audio, or Bluetooth radio, whatever. Turn that up. Now, just one thing there. When I did that, I've only just paired the mobile and I've set it there. There was no sound coming through the speakers. So I had to switch the radio off and switch it back on. But now, if we go here, click play, and then turn that on. There you go. It's really good sound system. So again, just to be clear, click the auxiliary button. That's showing what's playing on here. Click the auxiliary button. So I can scroll between line inactive and then Bluetooth. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.